What's going on, guys? So we're here with a giveaway update. If you don't know what giveaway we are talking about, it is the full build giveaway that we are doing here at Custom Offsets with Hostile BDS, Toyo, and Black Label lighting. The easiest way to enter this is to go out to the website, pick up one of these sweet giveaway t-shirts. If you go out to our main page, scroll down to the giveaway section, there's a link right there to pick up a t-shirt for you. Get one of those, gets you entered to win the full build. So at the end of all this, we're gonna make a contribution to Team Rubicon, and so far we have got almost $16,000 going towards those guys. So they are a bunch of retired EMTs, firefighters, police officers who volunteer their time to assist in emergency situations. So you're gonna wanna get one of these soon. You got 1 week left. July 3rd at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time is the last chance to enter, and the giveaway will be going live that night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time to do the giveaway. So get in there, go to the website, look for the shirt. Again, that's the easiest way to enter, is to pick yourself up a sweet t-shirt, and who doesn't need a new t-shirt anyway? So hurry up, because we only got a week. Peace.